Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central, and today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Toyota camper van, a vehicle designed for people who want freedom, comfort, and reliability all in one rolling package. Toyota keeps the exterior clean and modern, with a boxy but aerodynamic shape that maximizes interior space while still looking stylish on the road. The front end features sharp LED headlights, a bold grille, and a rugged stance that hints at adventure. Sliding doors and wide rear access make it easy to load gear, bikes, or camping essentials, while durable body cladding adds protection for long road trips and off-grid destinations. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota camper van focuses on efficiency and dependability rather than raw speed. It's expected to offer a refined hybrid powertrain that delivers smooth acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and quiet operation on highways and mountain roads alike. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps while staying stable even when fully loaded. Toyota's reputation for long-lasting engines and low maintenance costs makes this camper van ideal for extended travel, whether you're crossing cities daily or spending weeks exploring remote landscapes. Inside, the cabin is where this camper van truly shines. Toyota has designed a smart, flexible interior that transforms easily from a comfortable driving space into a cozy living area. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and thoughtful lighting create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The seating can fold and slide to convert into a sleeping area, while integrated storage compartments keep everything organized. A compact kitchenette with a sink, fridge, and cooking surface makes meal prep simple, and there's enough headroom to move around comfortably without feeling cramped. Technology plays a big role in the 2026 Toyota camper van experience. A large infotainment screen supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice controls, keeping you connected wherever you travel. Multiple USB ports, power outlets, and optional solar charging help keep devices powered during long trips. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking provide confidence and peace of mind on every journey. Another highlight is how customizable this camper van is for different lifestyles. Buyers can choose layouts that focus more on sleeping space, work setups, or storage for outdoor equipment. This flexibility makes it appealing to solo travelers, couples, or small families who want one vehicle that adapts to changing needs over time. What truly sets this camper van apart are its unique features built specifically for adventure lovers. Climate control designed for overnight comfort, insulated panels for temperature management, and smart energy systems make it suitable for year-round travel. Toyota's attention to detail ensures that everything feels practical, durable, and easy to use. It feels ready for real-world adventures everywhere. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time van life enthusiast, the 2026 Toyota camper van offers a balanced mix of comfort, efficiency, and reliability that's hard to ignore. Outro like thanks for watching.